got a new camp spot from the kindest souls in the entire world. I'm very excited because today I'm hopefully getting to get in the water, go to the mountain, there's the Snowtron board, and get to surf. Wait, I hope today, I'm just gonna flow with today. There's a change of plans. I just filled up my gas tank and I basically have to go home. Man, if I go up to the mountain to drive there, to drive to go surf, to pay for the lift ticket or the rope tow, and I'll be out of money. I won't even make it home. And I'm gonna start working on some other projects, and maybe that will line things up so that I can score some waves in the backyard. I'm so happy to be back out in the woods. This is absolutely amazing. Shallot. Check it out. Hard work's paying off. This, my friends, is an apple tree from seed. You plant it in the winter. My back just almost went out. You plant it in the winter, it starts growing in the springtime. It's the dormancy. We'll call this the HOBO apple. HOBO apple. I have some crazy news. I zapped out the back pain. How? Cold water therapy Yogatron. And the reward for that is I can move again. I gotta be more careful when I'm lifting stuff. I know that. You hear the heater's on. It's cold this morning, and I get to go surfing. And I also got some life-changing news. So things here on the YouTube channel are going to start to evolve and grow exponentially really soon. So I'm super excited to share what the happenings are on this television network called the HOBO Gazette. It's like you get your own television channel. And also, thank you to everybody for the support. It's been hard for me to say, oh, you want to hit the subscribe button? But I'm trying to break some fears, and I'm learning this whole platform. So thank you very much for all of the support, everybody. I'm eternally grateful forever, and I'm super excited to start creating some really, really magical content. So thank you. Yeah, I'm going surfing. I'm gonna try these HOBO Stevie fins. Yeah, stoked. And they're cheap, so that's the cool thing.
Impact. Poor air quality may cause issues for people with respiratory problems. Please check with your local air quality agency for additional details and actually additional details. Please delay outdoor burning until conditions improve. People with respiratory illnesses follow the physician's advice for dealing with high levels of air pollution. Stagnant air. State air quality agencies highly recommend that no outdoor burning occur and that residential burning devices be limited as much as possible. According to state air quality agencies, prolonged periods of stagnant air can hold pollutants close to the ground where people rise and breathe. Check with your local burn agency for any current restrictions in your area. This is 162.55 megahertz, your weather radio station, KH36.
Oh, here's the set too, with the whale out the back. All right, I switched boards with my friend the Blur. Now I'm on like the super fat kid board. 6'2", Kolohe swordfish. I'm just gonna try to catch one wave and call it a day. Here we go. Okay, maybe try 2 waves. Chin ups. 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh man, 8, 9, 10 chin ups. Hear the fins hit that log? That was wild, huh? I almost wiped out. Stand down, baby, down by the road, go sweet, sweet baby, I'll never let you go. Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa pop, shimmy, shimmy, rock, shimmy, shimmy, cocoa pop, shimmy, shimmy, rock. I met a girlfriend in Trisket, she said, a Trisket the biscuit, asking for the covenant on the top. Ooh, Taylor, walking down the street, take time to do it. I mean, I said, what's wrong, I'm Jay, I'm cool, I'm fine, I'm fucking this over. My back feels like I'm 20 again, the skateboarding, you know? I don't know if it got on that, but that was like a 5-0 for me. Yeah. Wow, that was a fun day.